How to open Barclays Bank account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser and search for Barclays. You need to tap on Barclays Personal Banking. You'll be redirected to its official homepage. To open up your very own Barclays Bank account, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you need to select on the login option which is present at the top of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be redirected to the login portal. In here, you can tap on Register Now portal to register or open up your Barclays account if you have not created one. Some of the criteria for it is you must be UK resident and be 16 or above, and you must have a Barclays current account. Once you have rest assured of it, you have to go through the three process, that is a detail, review and verification. Now starting off with the details, enter your last name, your date of birth, then your postcode. After it, for account details, select your account type, which you have on Barclays. Enter the sort code, that is the 6-digit code on the front of your debit or authenticator card. Next, enter your 16-digit card number. You can find this 16-digit card number on the front or the back of your debit or authenticator card. Make sure to double check this number. For the contact details, enter your email address and confirm your email address. Tap on the check mark and select on the next button. Once you are reviewed and verified, you will get yourself your very own Barclays Bank account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.